whether I should say my name or the channel name. But let's address that elephant in the room, because as you guys can see, I tweaked the name yet again. And there's a new intro for this new name. Anyway, I wasn't completely secure in the name that I chose. I had the brown face therapist. I wanted to I wanted to tweak or do a slight rebranding. When I started on YouTube years ago, I was doing beauty and fashion. I was even doing some, what was I doing? I just remember doing a lot of vision board videos, health videos, but my beauty videos got word of, and natural hair, that's how I started, natural hair, which I think is a part of beauty. That's what brought people to my channel. Anyway, so when I changed it to the brown face therapist, I just felt like it just didn't really speak to, not to say who I am, it didn't speak to who I am right now. I do plan on, my future goal is to become a therapist, but that's not really happening right now. And like I said, I just don't know if it encompasses what beauty, fashion, lifestyle, everything that I want to bring to this channel. So if you have been rocking with me for a very long time, the earlier days of Brown Face TV, that's what it was called before, you would notice that I had it was brown face and then B as the tagline, which was Beautify, Educate, Entertain. I also had a corresponding blog, and the name of the blog was the Brown Face B, Beautify, Educate, Entertain. So I kind of brought that back, but only BE. If you watch my last vlog, I'm a big proponent of affirmations. Affirmations have helped me as someone who struggles with anxiety. That's why I'm starting my kids out early, and it is a tool that I will, when I become a therapist, yes, Dr. Marsha Gomez Kirby. Anyway, when I become a therapist, it is a tool that I will also incorporate when working with clients. When we said it in the vlog, that was not for show. That's what we do every time I drop into school. And I have my own set of, I don't have them here, but I have my own set of affirmations that I profess, if not daily, every other day, and so forth. So I was thinking, I tell my children, well, I am bold, I am beautiful, I am blessed. So I thought to incorporate that into this and just more, be bold, be blessed, be beautiful. So, and brown face, because B. Anyway, that is just like a little snippet of what I was thinking, changing the channel or tweaking the channel name again. And that's what it should be going forward for now. Anyway, let's get into the real reason why you guys came here, okay? So, I know I was not supposed to be shopping. I had these shoes saved in my my favorites on the Zara app. I had it saved for like over a month. So I saw the shoe, I originally saw the black pair, and then it wasn't connected to the, because when you have different colors in Zara, they'll have two little boxes. You can click on whichever color you want. They didn't have that. The shoe was separate. And then all of a sudden the black one disappeared completely. So I saved the gray ones to my cart because I said, you know what? I would rather the gray ones because I don't have anything gray. I don't have any gray boots in my wardrobe currently. So I kept waiting. I kept checking. I mean, it was crazy. It was borderline stalker-ish, checking all the time, and the shoe would not come back into stock. And then I went over to my BFF, my best fashion friend. No, I went over to Blanche from Be About Town's house. She was able to score the gray pair, and I had to look at them, and I was like, oh my God, please let these things come back in stock. And lo and behold, they did come back in stock like a week or so after that. And then the black ones came out of nowhere. It was weird because it completely disappeared from the site. Anyway, so I purchased both of them just to look at them and see which ones I want to keep. Now I'm leaning more towards the gray, but the black ones are hot. Anyway, and the reason why I saved these in my cart, because they look like the Maison Margiela Tabi boots. Now they don't have that toe split, which is what I don't like about the boots. That's why I haven't invested in them, but they're pricey. But yeah, I don't like that split toe. So all right, here are the boots. Oh, I have it the wrong way. So here are the gray ones. As you can see, it has that same front. It's a little bit, I don't know if you can see, a little bit pronounced here at the toe. Look at the heel. the hip comfortable. And these shoes are soft and supple. Now these were $139, and I'm not sure how much, I'll put it on the screen below. I'm not sure how much the Maison Margiela, I'm not sure off the top of my head how much they go for, but these are a fraction of the cost. The only thing is that they have been sold out. So after I hit submit on the shoes, I didn't see them again. I mean, the shoe was there. It was still, because I have them saved in my favorites. The black ones now keep coming back in stock, but only sizes 6 and 7. And I actually got these in a size, for some reason, a 39 corresponds to an 8, but I don't, yeah, anyway. So these are 39, and to Zara, these are considered an 8. So I was like, all right, I just want to get them to see how they look. If they don't fit, of course, I'm going to return them. But I think because of the square, because there's more space here, it's not a pointy toe boot, they fit, y'all. And because the leather is so supple, it stretches. So I have been wearing them. They fit with a nice light sock. I have room. I put them on with thick socks and they fit, but of course you can feel just a little bit of tightness, but it's not, because the leather is so soft, there's give, if that makes any sense. These are stretchy, so you can, if you wanted to get the boot, if you can find them, you can get your regular size, because like I said, I go a size up. I usually 40, which I thought it was like I guess 40 is a 9. I usually get a size 40 because I want that extra space. But getting my regular size in these boots were fine. Okay, let me show you the black pair. Oh my gosh. This black pair is saying something, people. Look. So to me, the black pair looks more rich. Let me get this. I don't know, they're more pronounced. Look at that. So right now, I'm just like torn, and I'm not keeping both of these. I put it on my credit card, and y'all know, I'm paying for one shoe, $139, one shoe, okay? So, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I don't have any gray pairs of shoes, and this is what attracted me in the beginning, this color. But look at that, y'all. I will, of course, link the boots. Please save it in your favorites if you are interested and keep checking on it. Like I said, the black pair usually comes back in stock more frequently, but only smaller sizes. I have not seen a 9, 10, none of the larger sizes have come back in stock when I have been checking. And I've been on the site a lot. I mean, I'm in the gym, I'm on the site. I'm checking for the boot. I'm, just to see what a 9, if a 9 came back in stock or a size 40, how would that feel as opposed to these? But these I would be able to keep and be okay with. Anyway, have a blessed week, and I will speak to you next time. Bye. Take my phones, take my phones, let it all burn away. I found beauty in these ashes.